from the company Addlon. It's a outdoor ceiling remote control fan, 20-inch, 360 degrees, IP rated. If you're working in the garage, shelter, by your lean-to, your gazebo, gardening, we're going to show you what this ceiling fan is about. Let's open it up, show you what's inside the box. A GFI outlet is required. As we open up the box, we have all the information provided on top. Everything nicely packaged and protected. 3 ways to hang up the ceiling fan. On a heavy-duty bracket with the supplied anchors and bolts, with an optional hook and bar and the height and length you want, or permanent mount bracket that you can hang up and use the hook. We're going to hang up outside and show you what the ceiling fan is all about. Pick a location and drill your holes with the hook and a choice of short or long bracket, and transferring the cutlet pin and bolts we're going to hook up. We're going to use the long bolt. We're using the long pole. We're just placing in for fit. We're going to put in a pin, rotate around, and lock down the bolt. Then we're going to secure down each of the set screws, the bolts. On the top, we have 2 more set bolts. One comes out. It matches up to the hole. With the bolt, it slides in, locks down, locking the set screw back into place. Lifting up the fan, releasing the clamp into the loop, and then adjusting. You have 360-degree rotation over here with the cord, and you have your thumb bolts to angle and adjust. You have a LED light, 5 blades, and plug into a GFI outlet. With a remote control to run your ceiling fan, you have a wind climate that breathes, 6 speeds, the off, the on, the lights, and more. We'll show the fan working in a low light and a wet condition. This is a fan that is a yellowish color, thumb bolts on both sides, light in the center, your blade, cage front and back, and your cord plugged into your outlet. It has a long bar or a short bar. It could be hooked up in a gazebo on a previous eye hook, a permanent hook, or on a wall with the heavy-duty bracket. When turning on for the first time, the LED will light up. It can be hooked up to a wall switch. With the remote control hitting number speed 3, the fan goes into a check and blows down in this motion. It's adjustable so you can see. We have the light that we can control, turn off and turn on. And change to the different kelvins, from cool to warm and back from warm to cool. And we can lower down and increase the light level. You have a timer, 2 hour. That is the motion for the timer. You have a night light that dims down. And press the center button to shut the light off and back on with memory. You could change the color of the night light. And you can increase the night light off to regular light. And then you could go into the slow, fast, medium breathing mode of a gentle breeze of outdoor. This button will reverse the fan. It is shut down. Check and reverse. The fan does not oscillate, but will move in the motion of the DC motor. The fan, again, is manually adjustable to different angles. For outdoor use, under the shed, in the boatyard, out by the gazebo, by the RV camper, hanging on a tree, anywhere that you need to put a light. We'll show you this in a wet condition and a low light. As the fan's in operation and is IP rated, you're able to take water, and water can be sprinkled on, as you can see. And the fan operates. The 20-inch ceiling fan and LED light out the door. We're going to turn the light on by hitting the light on button. We are on the night light. We're going to increase the light to the maximum. We're going to change the kelvins. And the fan could be turned on to a breeze, forward or reverse. This is the ceiling fan, 20-inch outdoor, IP rated, with the GFI outlet option plug-in. I hope you enjoy your ceiling fan. If this is what you are looking for in a hanging fan. Thank you for viewing.